In this video, I'm going to share with you the 10 most common hidden reasons behind hair thinning. I'll also talk about what you can do to address these causes and improve your hair health. Number 1, nutritional deficiencies. Nutritional deficiencies such as iron deficiency, zinc deficiency, and biotin deficiency can all lead to hair thinning. These nutrients are essential for hair growth and development. Number 2, thyroid problems. Both overactive thyroid, hyperthyroidism, and underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism, can cause hair thinning. Thyroid problems can disrupt the hair growth cycle and lead to premature hair loss. Number 3, scalp conditions. Scalp conditions such as seborrheic dermatitis and psoriasis can also cause hair thinning. These conditions can damage the hair follicles and make it difficult for hair to grow. Number 4, hormonal changes. Hormonal changes such as those that occur during pregnancy, menopause, and polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, can all lead to hair thinning. Hormonal changes can disrupt the hair growth cycle and lead to premature hair loss. Number 5, hard water. Hard water contains high levels of minerals such as calcium and magnesium. These minerals can build up on the scalp and hair follicles, making it difficult for hair to grow and thrive. Additionally, hard water can make it more difficult for shampoo and conditioner to work effectively, which can lead to dry, brittle hair that is more prone to breakage. Number 6, stress. Severe stress can trigger a type of hair loss called telogen epiphysin, causes hair to shed prematurely. Hair growth typically resumes within a few months of the stressful event. Number 7, heat styling. This might be such a regular part of your life that you may have forgotten it can actually damage your hair. Overstyling your hair with heat tools such as blow dryers, curling irons, and flat irons can damage your hair follicles and lead to hair thinning. Number 8, tight hairstyles. Wearing tight hairstyles such as braids, cornrows, top buns, and ponytails can also damage your hair follicles and lead to hair thinning. Number 9, excessive hair brushing. Excessive hair brushing can pull on your hair follicles and cause hair thinning. Be gentle when brushing your hair and avoid brushing it when it's wet. You don't need to brush it 150 times to make sure it's smooth and shiny. Number 10, hair loss products. Some hair loss products can actually worsen hair thinning. Be careful when choosing hair loss products and avoid products that contain harsh chemicals or alcohol. Always do a patch test before trying a new product. If you're experiencing hair thinning, there are a number of things you can do to address the underlying cause and improve your hair health. Eat a healthy diet. Make sure to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods contain nutrients that are essential for hair growth and development. Get regular exercise. Exercise helps improve circulation and reduce stress. Both of these factors can be beneficial for hair health. Manage stress. Stress can trigger hair loss. Find healthy ways to manage stress such as exercise, yoga, or meditation. Be gentle with your hair. Avoid overstyling your hair with heat tools. Use a mild shampoo and conditioner. Avoid shampoos and conditioners that contain harsh chemicals or alcohol. I recommend using KeraFiber Keratin Hair Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner, which contains no nasties and are specifically formulated for people with thinning hair. If you're experiencing hair thinning, see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. For a temporary hair loss solution, consider using hair fibers. For example, KeraFiber Organic Keratin Hair Building Fibers adhere strongly to your existing hairs, concealing bald spots, thinning areas, and receding hairlines in less than 30 seconds. It works for all gender and hair types, and is a safe temporary option that works wonders to boost confidence. Hair thinning can be a frustrating problem, but there are a number of things you can do to address the underlying cause and improve your hair health. By eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, and being gentle with your hair, you can help reduce hair thinning and promote hair growth. If you find information like this to be helpful in your hair care journey, consider giving us a follow. Thanks for watching.